Jayne, what a moment. As I stand here looking at you, I know this is exactly where I'm meant to be. In a few moments, I'll be marrying my best friend, partner, and lover. As we know, I have a tendency to overthink things and can be a tad bit indecisive. But proposing to you was the biggest, yet easiest decision I've ever made.
David, I didn't have much to go off of. One of the pictures I'd seen prior to meeting you was simply the back of your head with the letters DK buzzed in. I had my doubts, but when I walked into our first date and hugged this handsome man in tortoise glasses, I immediately felt at ease. You are the most generous, loyal, attuned, and unconditionally loving person that I know, and I'm on the receiving end of it all. I promise to continue to prioritize this relationship, to be honest and trusting, to lead with intention and care when I may be tempted by anxiety and worry. David, I value you, I respect you, and even in the moments that I may not like you, I will love you forever.
I promise to always try and communicate my appreciation for you and all the things you do for us, no matter how big or small. I promise to always support you in your pursuit of your passions. Finally, you're the ultimate life partner. I'm running low on time, so this is where I rapid fire a few things that make me incredibly excited about building a life together. Jayne, as great as the past few years have been, I promise the best is yet to come.
Mazel tov!
We went out for coffee one morning, and she said to me, "So, do you think I'm good for your son?" Coming from a psychologist, there's a lot of ways you can answer that, most of which might be incorrect. And I told her what I honestly believed, and that's that she makes my son better.
I kind of knew within the first 5 minutes when I met DK that he was the one. The thing that really sewed it up for me when DK said to me, "Doc, I got to talk to you." He proceeded to tell me how much he loved my daughter, how much he wanted to live his life with her, take care of her. I was very moved, but I wasn't surprised. He was extremely composed, and I knew he was the right guy.